Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. I'm so excited to share this new project with y'all. We're taking you behind the scenes of a modern home remodel that's so close to the finish line. And let me tell you, it's going to be stunning. From the very first walkthrough, I could see the potential in this house. It had good bones, but it needed a little love, a little imagination, and a whole lot of modern farmhouse charm. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea and settle in, because we're about to take you on a journey from vision to reality. Every renovation project starts with a dream, a vision of what could be. It's about imagining the perfect space that fits your lifestyle and needs. And for this family, that dream was all about creating a modern farmhouse haven, a sanctuary where they could escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. They wanted a space that was both stylish and functional, blending contemporary design with rustic charm, a place where they could gather with loved ones, share meals and create lasting memories. A home that felt warm and inviting. To complement the modern farmhouse aesthetic, they wanted a neutral color palette with pops of color here and there. Think warm whites, soft grays and natural wood tones, with accents of blue or green to bring in a touch of the outdoors, creating a serene and cohesive look. And that's what we love to do here at Crafty Corner Pro Max. Help families create spaces that are both beautiful and meaningful, tailored to their unique tastes and lifestyles. Alright y'all, now that we've talked about the vision, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of making it happen. This is where the magic begins. We started with a thorough site assessment, ensuring we knew every detail of the space, measuring every nook and cranny, and taking precise measurements, checking the condition of the existing structure, including the foundation and walls, and identifying any potential challenges that could arise during the renovation. Once we had a good understanding of the scope of the project, we sat down with the homeowners and got to work on creating a detailed budget. This step is crucial to ensure we stay on track financially. Next up, the fun part, 3D modeling. This technology allows us to visualize the space in a whole new way. This allowed us to show the homeowners exactly what their new space would look like, down to the smallest detail. We played around with different layouts, finishes and color schemes and furniture arrangements, until we found the perfect combination that met the homeowner's vision. And of course, no renovation is complete without the proper permits and approvals. This ensures everything is up to code and legally compliant. Demolition, the fun part, right? It's where the transformation truly begins. Well, it's definitely satisfying to tear down walls and make way for something new. The excitement of seeing a space evolve is unmatched. Before we could start swinging sledgehammers, we had to clear out the space. This involved a lot of preparation and planning. This meant packing up all their belongings, ensuring everything was safely stored away, protecting the floors and fixtures that were staying, to prevent any damage during the demolition process, and hauling away any debris. This step is crucial to keep the work area clean and safe. We carefully removed any walls that were non-load-bearing, ensuring the structural integrity of the home remained intact, opening up the space and creating that open concept flow the homeowners were dreaming of. This transformation is always a highlight. Speaking of electrical and plumbing, this was also the time to address any updates or changes needed in those areas. It's essential to get these right before moving forward. We repaired any cracks or imperfections, making sure the walls were smooth and ready for the next phase, leveled out any uneven spots, ensuring a solid foundation for the new flooring, and added new subflooring where needed. This step is vital for the longevity and durability of the new floors. With the demolition complete, it was time to really start bringing the modern farmhouse vision to life. One of the most dramatic transformations was installing large windows and glass doors across the back of the house. This flooded the space with natural light and created a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The kitchen, of course, was a major focal point of the renovation. We expanded the footprint to create a more spacious and functional layout. To create that multifunctional living area the homeowners were after, we removed a wall between the living room and dining room, creating one large open space. Now let's talk about the foundation of any good design, the floors and walls. For the floors, we went with wide plank white oak hardwood throughout the main living areas. In the bathrooms, we opted for a classic subway tile in a soft gray hue. For the walls, we stuck with a neutral color palette of warm whites and soft grays. We also added some architectural interest with board and batten wainscoting in the dining area, and a shiplap accent wall in the living room. To finish things off, we installed crisp, white trim and baseboards throughout the house. One of the things that made this modern farmhouse renovation so special was the integration of smart home technology. We installed dimmable LED lights throughout the house, which are not only energy efficient, but also allow the homeowners to create different moods and ambiance in each room. To keep the temperature just right, we installed a smart thermostat that the homeowners can control from their phones. In the kitchen, we outfitted the space with top-of-the-line energy-efficient appliances, including a smart refrigerator. And for the ultimate entertainment experience, we installed built-in speakers in the ceiling of the living room and patio. Now for the really fun part, bringing the space to life with furniture and decor. We started by selecting furniture pieces that were both stylish and comfortable, with a mix of modern and farmhouse-inspired elements. To add warmth and texture, we layered in plenty of textiles like plush throws, cozy pillows, and woven baskets. We also incorporated natural elements like wood, metal, and greenery to bring a touch of the outdoors in. No farmhouse-style home is complete without some artwork and decorative accents. Now let's step outside and take a look at the outdoor space. We started by adding a spacious patio just off the back of the house. To define the space and create a sense of privacy, we added landscaping around the perimeter of the patio. We planted a mix of evergreen shrubs, flowering perennials, and ornamental grasses for year-round interest and color. To make the space usable even after the sun goes down, we installed outdoor lighting. And to complete the outdoor oasis, we added some comfortable outdoor furniture like a sectional sofa, a couple of lounge chairs, and a fire pit. And there you have it, folks. This modern farmhouse remodel is officially in the books. From the open concept living space to the dreamy kitchen and the serene outdoor oasis, this home is everything the homeowners dreamed of and more. If you enjoyed this home renovation journey as much as we did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more inspiring makeovers. And be sure to let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of this transformation was. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy crafting.